Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. 30 minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
Portable battery hub, universal cable kit, Bluetooth speaker block, compact Bluetooth receiver, USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable, active noise cancelling earphones. All of this in a single carrying case. Introducing Polatap, the ultimate Bluetooth audio and battery kit. Polatap is an all-in-one Bluetooth audio and battery kit that has everything you need for your next trip, packed into one small package. Traveling becomes effortless with Polatap. Polatap's Bluetooth receiver enables any wired audio product to be used wirelessly. Just plug in the audio jack and you can turn your favorite earphones or headphones into a wireless Bluetooth device. When you're on a flight, the distracting noise can sometimes be a little too much. Simply connect Polatap earphones to the Bluetooth receiver and use the remote controller to activate noise cancellation. Our noise-canceling technology blocks out 95% of external sound, and that means you can still get a relaxing rest on a noisy flight. If you want to hear what's going on around you, Polatap's Bluetooth receiver has an audio transparency feature. Not only does it let you hear the sound outside, it amplifies only the important sounds that you want to hear. Polatap's audio cable enables active noise cancellation to be used even when Bluetooth connections are not available. With the audio cable included in the Traveler Kit, you can directly connect to the in-flight entertainment while still using noise cancellation. Polatap's battery hub is a 6,000 milliamp portable battery. And using Polatap's cable kit, you can charge both Lightning and micro USB devices at the same time. With plenty of battery, you will be fully charged and ready to go as soon as you get off your flight. The active noise cancelling earphones block out the loud noise around you when you're outside, and its high fidelity audio remains undisturbed from noise pollution. Connect Polatap's speaker block to the battery hub and Bluetooth receiver to play music continuously for up to 200 hours. Connecting is instantaneous thanks to its specially developed 9-pin magnetic attachment system. The whole kit's small size means you can take it anywhere. Polatap helps you to stay powered on during your trip when you need it the most. You can use the navigation, listen to music, make phone calls without having to worry about your battery running out. Polatap's earphones have been ergonomically designed to stay inside your ears even while running. And using our metal clip accessory, controls like audio transparency are easily accessible. The products in Polatap Traveler Kit are essentials that make your traveling less stressful, more organized, always connected, and most importantly, more enjoyable. Polatap is the ultimate traveler kit for your next trip.
Most people want to see what's going on around their property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. LightCam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed LightCam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. Your camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your enclosure. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding kind of like, hey, the infrared's bouncing off the glass or the light is bouncing off the glass. I can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're going to know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're going to be able to adjust the colors. LightCam is designed with high-end cob LEDs, so your light should last 15 to 20 years. I mean, we've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure that it work in as many different situations as possible. LightCam is an amazing product and it's going to benefit a ton of people. We really appreciate you guys watching this, and we hope that you'll help us by backing the campaign and by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everybody.